Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So if you notice that your device is working pretty slow lately, it just like don't react to your actions, maybe it's because it's cache dumped or some other system issues. What can you do about it? You have the pre-installed application which called security here, so you have to open this application, agree with its privacy policy, then you just have to wait till your device till this application scans your device. As you can see, my device is not 100% optimized. I don't know which percent optimization will be on yours, but after it ends calculating all of these issues, you just tap optimize, and in a few seconds it repairs all of the issues that it found on your device, like system security, clear cache. Here you can see what else you can do about your non-optimized features. You can also run the security scan. And as you can see, my device is completely secured, but if it finds some viruses on your device, they will definitely like slow down the work of your device, so it will help you make something about it, to do something about it. You can also clear some cache here, clean up your device from the files which are no longer needed, no trash. And after all of these actions, small actions, your device will definitely work faster. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.